guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of February. I did something a little bit different this time. I always do unboxings, but today I wanted to do a try unboxing since I was just like eager to try everything in the box. I did open the box last night, so I know what's inside, but I was still wanting to try the products and show you guys how they performed and what I thought about it. So if you guys want to see what is in my February BOXYCHARM box, then just keep on watching. If you guys are new to my channel or aren't familiar with BOXYCHARM, where have you been? Where have you been? Just kidding. But BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription box. You pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products in return for your $21. It is totally worth it. I stand by it. I love them. BOXYCHARM, I don't know why you haven't sponsored me yet, but it's fine. That's okay. So, yeah, let's just jump right into the box. As soon as you open the box, you receive this card that has the theme of this month, which is Afterglow. And on the back is listed all the items and the retail value for each item, which goes way over $100 and your $21. So totally worth it just with that. And once you open the box, you will have all the products right there. It's beautiful. So the first thing in the box is this No Pore Blem face primer. It is a very smooth and soft primer. It smells so good. I so far give this primer a thumbs up. I tried it out just now, so I really enjoyed that. The next thing is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and I actually tried this out this morning while I took a shower. It does smell really good. It smells kind of minty, very clean, like a very crisp, clean scent. I tried it in the shower and I mean, I liked it. I can't tell you how it really performs because I didn't have makeup on or anything, so I don't know to what extent it removes makeup and things like that. But on the back it says that it is a ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, pollution, residue, and makeup while nourishing the skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. So yeah, this is cute. I like it. I will try it out more to see what I think. I do use the Fresh Soy Cleanser, which is also like a gel consistency. So the gel doesn't really bother me. The fact that it's a gel cleanser, I know a lot of people don't like that, but I like it. I like Pharmacy. I've tried Pharmacy products before and I do enjoy them. I do think they're a good skincare brand. So I was excited once I saw this. This is 3.4 ounces. It is in this little cute bottle and I love this for traveling. I think I'm going to save this for traveling because like I said, I already have my full-size cleanser. So I might just save this for when I travel, keep this on my little to-go pouch. But so far I like it. I think it's good. If you guys are interested in knowing how this actually performs, then let me know and I can update you guys on that. The next thing we got in this box was this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlights in the color Glow Up. It is a very pretty, if you can see, like a rose gold kind of highlight. I am excited to have a new highlight that I can look forward to. So I really like that highlight. Next thing in the box was this Trestique Prime and Color Lip Glaze. So this is the color that it came in. It's not my favorite color. I don't really go for pinks, but I gave it a shot. You will see it later on, and I don't love it. It's not my favorite. The formula is great. I think this concept is amazing, but I'm not a pink lip kind of girl, so I did put a nude lip over it today. But I mean, hey, you can't love everything, right? So it does come with this little lip primer. It's very soft, so it's actually like the tip of the crayon, and then when you open it, it shows you here. It is like this berry pink color. It's not a horrible color. The color is beautiful. Like I said, it's just not my favorite. And then, whoa, so cool. I love this because it's a magnet. Wow, there you go. There you go. I love this because it's a magnet, so you go like, love that. I think that's so cool. I love that. The color, I just wish it was like a notch lower. Like if it could be a nude or a brown or something, I would love that. And last but not least in the box, we got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I love this mascara, you guys. If you haven't heard of it, everyone raved about this mascara. They came out with a waterproof version of this, and they also have like special editions that you can get this with, like diamonds, glitter, things like that. But I love this mascara. I am so excited that I got a restock because I actually ran out of the Tarte mascara that we got, the Wonder Beauty mascara that we got, the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. All of these mascaras are from previous BOXYCHARMs, and they're all like holding on to dear life. Like there's nothing in these things, and I'm like, come on, give me something, because I don't want to buy a new mascara. So BOXYCHARM, thank you. You have given me a restock on mascara and on primer and on highlight, and I just really needed all these products at this moment, so thank you. I appreciate it. But yeah, that is, well, I do overall really enjoy the box. The only thing I have to say is that I did see their sneak peeks on Instagram, and I know this month some people got the Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro, which I was like praying for. Like, I'm like, Lord, please, can I please have the cocoa cream? I didn't get that, bummed out about that, but I got the Pharmacy cleanser, so that's not bad. And I really wanted bronzer because they had a bronzer also. Instead of highlight, you would get a bronzer, which I really need a bronzer because I hit pan once again on my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula for like the 7th time. So I really needed a bronzer, but it's okay. And I just didn't want this lip color. Like, I was like, give me like black, but I don't care. It's fine. Overall, it was a great box. I am going to give you guys the total retail value of this box. So the retail value of this box is $121, which is crazy. It's a whole one before your $21 that you spent $100 over. So I really think that BOXYCHARM is a great investment. You guys know that. If you've seen my videos, I rant about how much I love BOXYCHARM all the time. But yes, I am going to start with the products now. So if you guys want to see each product of this box being performed and how I use everything, then just keep on watching. So my eyebrow, wow, I can't talk. It's like 7 in the morning, but it's fine. My eyebrows are already done. I already put moisturizer on my face, so what I'm going to do is go in next with the primer that we got in the box, the No Problem primer. I don't think that's focusing, but we're going to go in with this, and I've been wanting to feel this so much. You know what? This feels really nice. I was worried because I really wanted to like this primer, and I was like, I really hope it's not sticky or feels too tacky where it would feel kind of uncomfortable on my face, but this feels really nice. I like it. It's very soft, kind of has that silicone-y feel to it. I feel like most pore primers do. I like this, and it smells like Johnson & Johnson baby lotion. This primer is made in Korea, so that's interesting. So yes, I am going to put foundation on, and I'll be right back. So now that I have already done my foundation, concealer, bronzer, all that good stuff, I'm gonna go into the next product, which is gonna be the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I've actually used this mascara before, so I know that I like it. Next, we have this Pretty Vulgar highlight, and this is in the shade Glow Up. This is their Shimmering Swan highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this highlight on the places where I normally highlight. It's a very pretty color. It's kind of pinkish though. It's a very pretty rose gold highlight. So this gives a very subtle highlight, not like your typical dramatic eye blinding highlight, which I am honestly okay with. I prefer a highlight to be more on the natural side than to be overbearing. And lastly in the box is the Trestique lipstick that I'm gonna go into. So I'm gonna put the primer on. I think it's so cool that it comes with a primer. Yeah, this isn't my favorite color. So this is what the color looks like. It's not the typical color that you would see me in, for obvious reasons. I don't like this color. I'm gonna put some nude lip gloss over it because, yeah. That completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this month's BOXYCHARM. It's a little bit different. I wanted to try something different since I always do these unboxing. I'm like, let me do a try on so it's not so boring watching me talk about products all the time. But yes, next month you gotta be here because I'm doing my Boxy Luxe unboxing and it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. So you gotta watch that one. But yes, that completes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.